Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a set of the day. Before moving ahead, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let us look at a question. So in a hockey tournament, two groups, group 1 and 2 of 5 teams, each played against each other, such that each team in a group played against all the 5 teams in the other group exactly once. Okay. In a match, the winner was awarded 3 points, the loser no points, and in case of a draw, the two teams were awarded 1 point each. Okay, the following table gives the partial information about the wins, draws, and losses of each team. Okay, so it has been given that A has got 10 points. Okay, so there is only one possible combination, that is 3 wins, 1 draw. Okay, so he has only one possible combination, that is 3 wins, 1 draw, that is going to be 1 loss. Okay, now similarly, B has 5 points, so there is only one possibility. Okay, there are only two possibilities, that either he could have won one match and drew 2 matches, or he could have drawn all 5 matches. But we know that each team won at least one match from here. Okay, so that means 5 draws is not a possibility. So that means definitely what does he have is he has one match, one, whereas he drew 2 matches. Okay, so he drew 2 matches. That means total what he is having is how many losses? The total number of losses are going to be equal to 2. Okay, now moving ahead. Now C has got 2 losses. Okay, C has got 2 losses and he has got 9 points. That means definitely he must be having how many wins? 3 wins and 0 draws. Okay, he has 3 wins and 0 draws. Now coming to 12, so there the possibilities for D is that he could have won 4 matches and lost 1 match. Okay, no other possible combination is going to satisfy 12 points. So there is only one possible case, that he has won 4 matches, he lost one match, and he drew 0 matches. Okay, coming to E, he got 3 points. Okay, so 3 points are how is it possible? Because he has to win at least one game, and with one game he got 3 points. That means he also has 0 draws and he has 4 losses. Okay, now coming to group 2. Talking about group 2, we have F, okay, which who has 6 points. So there are two possible cases. Okay, he could have got 2 wins and 3 losses, or he could have got 1 win and 3 draws. Okay, so what is it? He has either 2 wins. So let us write it down. Okay, let us write down the possibilities. 2 wins or 1 win and how many draws? He could have had 3 draws. Okay, 1 win and 3 draws, two possibilities. Okay, similarly for G, if you see, G has got 7 points. Okay, G has got 7 points. That means what are the possibilities? What are the possibilities? That he could have 2 wins and 1 draw. Okay, G could have 2 wins and 1 draw, 2 wins and 1 draw, or he could have had 1 win and 4 draws. Okay, he could have 1 win and 4 draws. These are the two possibilities for G that we have. Okay, talking about H, H has got 8 points. Okay, so he has got only one possibility of 2 wins and 2 draws. Okay, so he has got only one possibility of 2 wins, 2 draws, and that means 1 loss. Okay, coming to I and J, they both have got 6 points each. So again, they have the same combination that is applicable to F, that is either 2 wins or 1 win and 3 draws. Okay, now if you look at group 1, now group 1 teams are playing with group 2 teams, and if they have got a total of 3 draws, that means the total number of draws that group 2 can have is going to be equal to what? Is going to be equal to 3. Okay, out of those 3 draws, 2 draws have been in a match with H. Okay, so there is a possibility of only one more draw happening. Okay, so that means 1 win and 3 draws ka case for either F, I or J, that is automatically gone. That is automatically gone. That means all three, F, I and J, they are going to have 2 wins, 3 losses and 0 draws. Okay, so 2 wins, 3 losses and 0 draws. Okay, now one more draw was to be played by G. So if he plays one draw, that means he is going to have 2 wins, and that is he is going to have 2 losses. So with this, now we know which team won how many matches, which team drew how many matches, and which team lost which all match or how many matches. Okay, now the next point on our table is going to be that which team played against which team. Okay, so we are coming to the next part of the thing. Okay, so let us make a table. How will you make a table? See, this is the way to make a table. Crisscross table you have to make. Okay, so we have F, G, H, I and J, and here we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, and here we can write down which team, all the teams we have, the data for all the teams, that which against which team, what was the result over there. Okay, now if you see guys, that A has one draw, B has two draws. Okay, that means, and in group 2 H has two draws. Okay, and in group 1 there are two teams which have played draws. That means H must have played a draw with both these teams. So between A and H and between B and H, both the matches were draw. Okay, similarly G is left with one draw, B is left with one draw, so they will be playing one more draw. Okay, we have also been given that A lost the match against J. So we have been given that A lost the match against J. So let's take as J as the winner, while D lost against F. So we know that D lost against F. Okay. Acha, after that, what we know is that A has got 3 wins and one draw and one loss. So we know he drew against H, he lost against J. That means other 3 games he is going to win. Okay, other 3 games he is going to win. Coming to D, we know that he has one loss and that we know is against F. That means the other 4 is going to be D winning the game. Okay, the other 4 is going to be what? D winning the game. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead. What else do we have? Let's see. Chalo, take it. Talking about G, if you see, G has got 2 wins, 2 losses, and 1 draw. So now his draw was with B and his losses were against A and D. So that means the other 2 games that he's going to play, he's going to win. The other 2 games that he's going to play, he will be winning. Okay, so we have the table completed for A, we have the table completed for D, and we have the table completed for G. Now come to B. Okay, so B has 2 wins, 1 win, 2 losses, and 2 draws. Okay, so let us see if anything can be done over here. Okay, we cannot surely say that which match was out of the 3 remaining in which he lost and in which he won. Take care. Chalo, let's move to C if there is anything we can find out. Okay, so C also, abhi we do not have anything. Okay, take care. So let's see what else can be there. Okay, G lost to G is done. C also there is no. Oh, take care. Okay, okay. Talking about H and D. Okay, talking about H and D. Okay, talk about H. H has 2 draws which we know are against A and B. He has 1 loss that is against D. That means the other 2 matches H is going to win. That means the other 2 matches H is going to win. Okay, so now we have column filled for H as well. Now look at C. C has 3 wins and he has 2 losses. So his both losses we know are against G and H. That means the other 3 are going to be his wins. The other 3 are going to be his wins. Okay. Okay. Now what do we have? We have table filled for A, C, D. We have it filled for G and H. Okay. Now talk about F. So F again, we do not know against which team he'll be winning, which team he'll be losing. Okay, that is fine. Take care. All right. Check out for I. So I, okay. If you have I, checking a B, we couldn't find any data. We also couldn't find any data for F, E. So let's move to I. So I, if you see, has lost 3 matches and we have the data for all 3 matches. That means remaining other 2 matches. Okay, remaining other 2 matches he is going to win. Remaining other 2 matches he is going to win. So I also has his 2 wins. Okay, I also has his 2 wins. Okay. Now coming to B again, B still we cannot find that which was the game that he won. Between F and J, we cannot say anything about it. Okay. Talk about E. So E has also lost 4 matches. Again, there are 2 options. We cannot say which match he's going to win. Talk about J. J has got 2 wins and he has got 3 losses. Okay. So abhi directly though we cannot find anything. Okay, directly though we cannot find anything. Take care. And no other information has been given to us, so we'll assume that we do not know anything about those matches. Okay, so this is BF, this is EF. Okay, this will be J or B, anyone can win. Okay, and similarly here it will be E and J, anybody could win. Okay, so depending upon the case that has been given in the question, we'll be solving accordingly. Now come to the questions. Which of the following teams drew most number of matches? So out of the following teams, we know B and H are the teams which have drawn most of the matches. So it will be H. Okay, it will be H. out of these options. G lost a match against which of the following teams? G lost a match against which of the following teams it is asking. So it lost against A, it lost against D. So from here, the correct answer will be option number A. Take care. The team that scored the least number of points. Least number of points have been scored by the team E, that is 3 points. And it is asking one against which of the following teams. So it is either F or it is J, that is option number D. So with this, the set is complete. Hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video, guys.